Miratlas is a startup company based in the south of France. Our goal is to characterize atmospheric propagation of light. We measure cloud cover, absorption, turbulence.
We have been developing in Miratlas from technology coming from astronomy world and also weather agency, an instrumentation that is small, very small footprint that can be deployed overnight and that is able to measure all the parameters we need. So we have shrink down technology coming from astronomy to be able to put that on a single rooftop. So we are able to characterize the cloud cover using a thermal imager or a shortwave infrared imager and see the clouds by day and by night with precision and able to forecast the position of the cloud as they will be in 20 or 30 minutes through machine learning and modelization. We are measuring the turbulence so that the operator is able to adapt his adaptive optic loops to be able to cope with the turbulence. And we are also developing new technologies to be able to see the aerosol that impact quantum communication and to see also water vapor.
Several constellations such as Starlink, OneWeb and IRIS², representing tens of thousands of satellites, will be launched over the next 10 years. Thanks to free space optical communications, they will become an extension of the terrestrial ground network. The telecommunication network is well established: internet exchange point, data center, cable landing site. And the internet bandwidth usage has been growing steadily by over 25% a year for the past 25 years. Meanwhile, SATCOM represents barely 1% of the internet capacity because it's still relying on radio. Through the use of laser communication, it will be able to compete in terms of capacity and price with the terrestrial network. Our current customer includes leading space agencies, research institutes, but also optical terminal manufacturers. Miratlas is the first company providing atmospheric data as a service, supporting optical communication. Since our creation in 2018, we have generated 1.6 million in revenue, raised over 2 million seed capital, and hired over 12 people. We have received the Deep Tech label from BPI France, are currently working towards the EN 9100 certifications, and will deploy 50 sites around the world to validate our process. Our goal is to accelerate and extend our network to thousands of stations to be able to have truly global coverage necessary to support the SATCOM industry's needs for the coming years.